Let's see some of the plants that are permanent and low maintenance for your garden, because most of the time when we bring plants, they need a lot of fertilizer to grow, or else we need a lot of time to spare for gardening. So if you are a busy person or a person who doesn't have much time for gardening, these plants that I show in the video are best for you. So stay until the end. I have listed down the plants as permanent plants and low maintenance plants. They need no care to grow. So let's see the list of plants that you can grow very easily and effortlessly. Amazing bird nest plant, which you need no fertilizer at all to grow. This is such an evergreen plant to your garden. Either you keep it at home as an indoor plant or as an outdoor plant. This is one of the best low maintenance plants. This plant needs no care at all once you bring it to your garden, and this plant will remain in your garden forever, because this is one of the easy growing plants and also one of the best plants for a lazy gardener or else for a person who is so busy, because this is a permanent plant and low maintenance. Looking for low maintenance plants? If you go to a nursery, buy one of these monstera plants as well. They are permanent and very easy to grow. These plants doesn't need fertilizer, and also with no time they will grow. You will see how beautiful they are, because they are decorative too. Put them to any decorative pot you have and it will give a very elegant look. If you have one of these plants, aloe vera, these are other plants which you can grow without any effort. This is low maintenance, permanent, and also one of the best plants for beginners. This is a succulent plant which needs no watering every day. So you can skip regular watering, keep it at home, in indoors and also outdoors both. This is very easy to grow and multiply plant. You can grow them with leaf as well. Another low maintenance plant is this lucky bamboo plant. Very easy to grow and no much care, only they prefers the shade and will grow beautifully. This is another suggestion for a beginner gardener to beautiful lucky bamboo. Pothos plants are beginner gardeners plants. These are very easy to grow and also to maintain. These plants need the shade, partial to medium sunlight. Ideal house plants. There are many varieties and you can grow them very easily. This is another low maintenance plant and also a low light plant. Pandanus plant, one of the plants I suggest for every gardener, because this is a very easy to grow plant, low maintenance, permanent, and also a beginner gardener's plant. This is very colorful and elegant and one of the decorative plants. Syngonium plant, another beginner gardener's plant and also one of the easy to grow plant. This is another plant suggestion for a person who's busy, and also this is one of the low maintenance plant. Need no care at all. Spider plants are beginner gardeners plants too. They are also low maintenance and permanent and need no care at all. Once you bring one plant, you can multiply them very easily. Looking for low light plants and also low maintenance plants, these sansevieria plants are ideal for you. These plants doesn't need to be regular watering and also very easy to look after. So bring some sansevieria plants, put them in any planter you have. Any DIY planter will do. Do not go to overwater, skip regular watering, keep them as indoor plant because they are air purifier plants, very easy to grow.